guys, see you again. Now I will show you my small collection of my Rubik's Cube, various type of Rubik's Cube. Here you see the Rubik Magic. The 2x2 cubes, 3x3, 2x2, 5x5 and 4x4. Here you see the Rubik's clock, the Herming's cube, the Megamin's cube, the 7x7 cube, the huge one cube. Huge. I had to play this thing, the 6x6. Too much already gone. I had this. Now you must see this. I want to solve my 3x2 cubes. Average of 5. 12.41 seconds. Ten 10.75 seconds. Twelve 12.28 seconds. Yeah, 9.50 seconds. Yes, 9.41 seconds. Yeah, I got 10.84 seconds average of 5. Oh, I love this. Thank you for watching my video and see you soon. Bye bye.